Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the remote battery and the tarp motor position. You don't need extra tools. First, put the tarp motor into the required position, fully closed or fully open, because the motor accepts learn commands only from those states. Once done, power cycle the motor controller briefly or follow the switch sequence to enable learn mode, and then press the motor's small learn button. Make sure you stand within 3 feet with the remote ready. This reduces communication errors during pairing. You will now execute the pairing sequence step by step so the motor learns the remote. First, press and hold the remote's program button until its LED blinks. Simultaneously, the motor's indicator should enter learn mode. Next, within 5 seconds, press the specific remote button you want assigned. Hold briefly and release once the motor jogs or clicks. That physical feedback means learning succeeded. Then immediately repeat the process for the opposite direction, buttons so open and close. You finish by thoroughly testing the programmed remote. Send both open and close commands from a few feet and from farther away to ensure consistent range and correct direction. Observe that the tarp moves fully and stops at limits. If the motor fails to respond, perform a memory erase on the motor controller and repeat the exact programming sequence. Interference or a misstep is usually the cause. One troubleshooting tip: if programming repeatedly fails, swap the remote battery with a fresh one and retry. Weak voltage often disrupts pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.